Let's solve a mystery. I'm telling you that there is a greatest common factor, also called a greatest common divisor. That number is 36. The least common multiple of these two numbers is 540. I tell you one of the numbers is 180, and I ask you what is the other number. I know you just can't stand waiting to find out the answer. Now we do have a formula. It is A times B is the same as the GCF of A and B times the least common multiple of A and B. Okay, well, let's plug in what we know. We know that that greatest common factor is 36. We know the least common multiple is 540. One of the numbers is 180. The other one is a surprise. Okay, well, we'll find out. Let's write it again. Okay, so 180 times something is the same as 36 times 540. When we multiply 36 times 540, that product is 19,440. Undo multiplication with division. When you do, what's that quotient? 108. The mystery is solved. We can check. 36 really is the biggest number that evenly goes into 108 and 180. 540 really is the least common multiple of 108 and 180. Done.